Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria and today we're going to be doing a braid out. Now I've tried braid outs before multiple times and each time they flopped, like they were terrible. It didn't look good at all. It was tangled and shrunken and not nice. So I decided to try them again today. But this time I've read up on braid outs and I watched some more tutorials, some videos on how to get a proper braid out, so I think I know what I'm doing this time. And this time I'm going to be using the main choice tropical moringa pearly braid out glaze. This is what it looks like. Don't mind all this, but yeah, this is what it looks like and I'm going to be using it today, and I'm hoping that it will help me, it will help the braid out look better. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's just get into this video. Okay, so just like I normally do, I've sectioned my hair into smaller sections to make it easier to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rattle comb and just create divisions and sections the size that I want them to be. I think this is a good size. Yeah. Then I'm going to take my spray bottle and just spritz this section. And the thing about braid out is that you need your hair to be completely detangled, because if it's not going to turn out well. I can testify to that. So I'm going to take my hairbrush and I'm going to detangle my hair from the roots, from the ends to the roots. Then I'm going to take some of the Braidout glaze. This is what it looks like. I can't describe the smell. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells nice. That looks so nice. Okay, so I'm going to take this much and put it on this section. Then when it comes to braiding, you want to make sure that all your parts, your these three parts are the same size or almost the same size. So like this. That's okay. And then I'll just start braiding. Just make sure that it's a bit tight at the roots. If you don't know how to braid, it's basically just, I don't know, let me just show you. So you have three pieces like this. You put this one in the middle and move this one out of the way. You put this one in the middle, move that one out of the way. So basically just like that, just switching which one goes in the middle. Switch in the middle, Okay, now that you're at the end of the braid, you don't want to braid it to the end. Instead, what you're going to do is that you're going to take your brush and you're going to brush it out. Then you take more of your product, whatever product that you're using, not a lot, just a little bit, and use it to twirl the end. Like that. God, please let this come out fine. And then you just do the same thing to the rest of your head. Oh my days, look at you guys, look at. Can you see it? That is so cute, oh my god. I'm definitely going to use this for a wash and go. You guys see this? Okay guys, so I'm done with the braids and I'm so excited. All the times I've done like braids for braid outs, my hair has never like, the braids have never looked this good, so I'm excited. I feel like it's going to be a really good braid out. Let me put this down. It's still like very wet obviously because I just finished, and I actually like the way it looks. I'm getting like 60 vibes. Wait, 90s vibes, yeah. And it's kind of stretched because it's braids. Usually when I do twist, my hair like shrinks up here, so like because it's braids it looks a bit longer. Okay. After a while I got tired of using this brush because I felt like it was ripping out my hair, so I switched to my tangle teaser. That's just by the way. I recently got into using this Alike Naturals Essential 17 hair growth oil, so I'm just going to put it into my parts. Okay, so I'm going to be back in a few days when my hair is dry and we're going to go through the takedown process together. Hi guys, so I'm back and it's Wednesday today and I did these braids on Monday, so it's been 2 days. This is the second day and my hair is completely dry, so I'm just going to take them out now. So let me just put these up here and I'm going to start from the back. Pray for me. Okay, so let's start. And you want to be very careful with braids because they tend to get frizzy easily, so you have to take them out very carefully. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay guys, so I'm done taking out the braids. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to separate them a bit because to give it more volume, and then I'm going to pick my hair after. So okay. Okay, so now that I'm done separating, I'm going to take my pick and I'm going to pick it at the roots, just a bit. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and I think I have finally mastered the braid out. I'm so happy, like I'm so excited. Like this is the best my braid outs have ever looked. They usually look like really terrible. Sometimes they look matted and shrunken and it just looks bad. So I'm actually really happy. Tell me what you guys think in the comments, if you think this was a success or not. I think it looks really nice, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. First class, baby, in a spaceship. Baby wanna have a little alien dick. She be screaming, I'm wavy, crazy like when I had a lady. No shady, baby, I ain't tryna get babies. Slim Shady, paradise, baby. On the wave, we about to really go crazy. What about Muna? Muna got a waist so fine, but I wanna finna blow your mind. What about Ada? Ada got a face so pink, make a nigga wanna post rewind. What about Timmy? Timmy go